Welcome to the Ultimate Showdown. Is the DJI Mini 3 Pro still worth it in 2026? We'll pit the classic Mini 3 Pro against the hypothetical DJI Mini 5 Pro to see how the technology stacks up years later. The Mini 3 Pro, released in 2022, is a cult classic, available for $300 to $500 used. The 2026 Mini 5 Pro is the ultimate micro drone, expected to launch new for over $1,000. Both are FAA exempt, weighing less than 249 grams. Camera comparison shows the Mini 3 Pro with a 1/1.3-inch, 48-megapixel sensor, delivering great daytime clarity but moderate low-light noise. The Mini 5 Pro features a massive 1-inch, 50-megapixel sensor for pro-level detail and exceptional low-light performance. For video, the Mini 3 Pro shoots 4K at 60 FPS, best for YouTube and social media. The Mini 5 Pro offers 4K HDR at 60 FPS and 4K slow motion at 120 FPS, with a 14-stop dynamic range, ideal for commercial-grade grading flexibility. Gimbal mechanism. The Mini 3 Pro uses true vertical shooting via 90-degree physical rotation. The Mini 5 Pro utilizes a 225-degree flexible gimbal, enabling highly complex, dynamic camera movements with true vertical capability. Safety and sensing differ significantly. The Mini 3 Pro has tri-directional sensing, leaving the top and sides unprotected. The Mini 5 Pro has omnidirectional sensing with 360-degree protection, including LiDAR and 3D infrared, allowing safe nightscape flying. In tracking, the Mini 3 Pro's Focus Track suite can lose the subject behind obstacles and requires careful manual monitoring. The Mini 5 Pro's Active Track 360 degrees uses predictive tracking, maintains lock even when the subject is hidden, and enables fully autonomous tracking. Battery performance sees a slight edge for the newer model. The Mini 3 Pro Plus battery offers 47 minutes, translating to about 25 to 28 minutes in the real world. The Mini 5 Pro Plus battery lasts 52 minutes, providing industry-leading endurance of 30 to 32 minutes. Both drones share a Level 5 wind resistance rating and a 24 miles per hour speed cap. The Mini 3 Pro has slight drift and heavy gusts, while the Mini 5 Pro features an improved aerodynamic design for locked-in stability. The Mini 3 Pro uses DJI RC transmission with a 12 km max range and 108 OP at 30 FPS live feed, prone to signal drops in heavy urban areas. The Mini 5 Pro uses 04 Plus transmission, reaching 20 km with 108 OP at 60 FPS, offering high reliability against interference. The Mini 3 Pro controller requires smartphone setup, taking about 41 seconds to launch and draining the phone's battery. The Mini 5 Pro features a smart controller with a built-in screen, instant launch, independent 4-hour battery life, and a dedicated micro SD slot. Both drones weigh 249 grams, requiring no FAA registration. The Mini 3 Pro's phone mounting adds friction to deployment, making it ideal for the minimalist travel vlogger. The Mini 5 Pro's smart controller ensures rapid launch, suited for the run-and-gun professional. For intelligence, the Mini 3 Pro offers standard quick shots and master shots, an incredible suite for beginners. The Mini 5 Pro includes advanced quick shots, free panorama, and Lightcut app AI editing integration, along with off-state quick transfer. From an investment perspective, the Mini 3 Pro is an unbeatable low-risk entry point, offering 80% capability for 40% of the price. The Mini 5 Pro is a premium initial investment, providing 100% bleeding-edge capability, built for commercial micro-drone work. Buy the Mini 3 Pro if you are a hobbyist on a budget who flies in open environments. Upgrade to the Mini 5 Pro if you need commercial sensor quality, 4K 120 FPS video, advanced LiDAR protection for night flying, and the absolute best in autonomous tracking.